How to clear Safari search history on iPhone. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Safari browsing and search history on your iPhone in just a few taps. Now, if you wish to delete your Safari browsing history or even the cookies and site data, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. So the first method is that you can simply open Safari, and once you do so, you're going to click on this icon over here, and then you're going to click on clear. And once you do so, you're going to select your remove history, cookies, and other browsing data. So you're going to clear from all time, today, and yesterday, today, or the last hour. So I'm going to click on the last hour, and you'll notice that the browsing history from the last hour would be deleted. Now, if for some reasons you're not able to do it through the Safari application, you're going to simply head over to settings and search for Safari. Search for the Safari application, and once you do so, you'll be able to see something like this. So you're going to scroll all the way down, and then you're going to click on clear history and website data, and then you're going to simply click on clear history and data, and then it would say, do you also want to close all tabs? You're going to click on close tabs, and after doing so, when you go back to Safari, you'll be able to see that your Safari search history has been deleted. So that was how you can clear Safari search history on iPhone. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.